Today we're going to be looking at the LTV 1200 transport ventilator with two patient circuits attached and wired into the ventilator. Okay, now each patient circuit has a Fluke Test Lung on it. Okay, the Lung. Both calibrated, brand new out of the box, and there's a ventilator analyzer on each lung. Okay, so we're gonna do a test today with different compliances. A compliance setting of 50 for the left-hand test lung, and a compliance setting of 20 for the right-hand test lung. The tidal volume that's set into the ventilator is 800 mLs. Okay, and the sensitivity is turned off, and it's control mode, volume delivery. Okay. Now with two different compliances, what we're looking for today is to see if we have a delivery of 400 mLs per patient, even though the compliance would be different for the two simulated patients, which are represented by the test lungs. Okay, let's take a look at the settings on the ventilator first. Okay, we're going to come right into the display here, and you can already see it. There you have it. 12 breaths, 800 tidal volume, sensitivity turned off, inspiration time of 1 second. But we have to get a little bit closer to see that we're in control volume mode, okay? Sensitivity's turned off now, because that's what would be recommended if you ever had to do this and put two patients on a vent at the same time, which would only be done as a last resort. Okay, so now we're going to move over and take a look at the first test lung. And I want you to see the compliance setting on here of 50. Then the second test lung, and it is set to 20. Okay, so different compliances are being simulated on these Fluke Test Lungs. Now the left-hand lung is on the Fluke VT900, my favorite vent analyzer, by the way. And you will notice the inspired tidal volume is 428 milliliters. Remember, the tidal volume set into the vent, 800 milliliters, right? Okay, now we come over the second test lung, and that's got the old TSI certifier FA plus on it. Okay, and that had a compliance of 20 on that lung. And remember, the other was 50. And look right here, 404 milliliters inspired tidal volume. So what we have proven today is that indeed, with different compliances on the test lungs, as long as you use control volume mode, it looks as though you could, if you had to, ventilate two patients at the same time with different compliances and deliver good volumes. Thank you and have a great day.